Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this used 2020 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Starting here on the transom of the boat, you can see this is an inboard, outboard, or stern drive application. So you get a nice full walk-through transom swim deck area. You've also got this lounging area where if you'd like, you can either have one pulled up, so you can sit up and look out back, or you can have the lounger fully open. As we step into the boat, you'll see we've got ample sofa seating. You got a nice L-shaped sofa here, and then you've got another section piece here. This boat is powered by the 8.2 liter big block V8, so you got plenty of power and torque to get up on plane with a boat full of people, tubing, skiing, anything like that. This boat does have the power tower on it, so it'll fold down as low as possible just with the touch of a button. You've got some Fusion tower speakers as well as additional 6.5-inch Fusion speakers on the sides of the tower. Making our way up to the helm area, you'll see we've got a nice double wide seat for the driver and a passenger. You've got twin Simrad MFD displays. They're nice flush mounted, looks super sleek like that. You've also got a flush mounted Fusion head unit for your radio. You've got all your physical switches for lights, blowers, for your engine hatch, windlass, and you've got trim tabs on this boat. This boat also is equipped with a nice head compartment to complement on the port side. See a large overhead port. It's got its own separate sink basin in there, and you've got an additional chair next to that. As we make our way up to the bow, you'll see we've got a lot of nice seating space, flip up bolsters. It's a great place to sit back, lounge while you're underway, or another place you can just sit and have a cocktail during sunset. You do have more Fusion speakers up on the nose, as well as access to your windlass anchor with your safety chain and your cleat to tie it off to once you're out. If you're looking for a Sea Ray or a boat like this, please give me a call. I'd be happy to take care of you.